Hi guys, so today again we come with another informative video also. Many of our subscribers asked that how we will make a cucumber drink or cucumber juice at your home. So for this we already took all these ingredients. For example, we took like cucumber, we have to peel it and we will grind here. In our grinder you need this ice cubes, you need like little lemon, ginger, is mint and oil, water and peeler and all these utensils you need to make this this cucumber juice. So I will show you. Please see this video till last. You will find how you will make. You will see how you will make any easy steps. So first, what we will do? First, we have to peel over this cucumber and we'll put here with our ginger and this lemon and this mint. It's very easy and simple recipe. So I will show you. If you still new in this channel or still not subscribed, so please click on this bell icon also and also subscribe button also, because in this channel you found all informative video which we upload daily. So benefit of the subscribe or click on bell icon is that you found all informative video which we upload daily. So let's start. I will show you step by step. So let's start. First we have to grind this. Okay. So I already peel our this cucumber and already slice like this, and mint, and put here ginger little, and we put our this lemon juice also. So we have to grind it. Okay, so this very easy and simple recipe. So first we have to grind it, then we have to serve. I will show you. Okay. So we already grinded our this all items. So this is ready. So you can serve in this like glass like this. So down this is ready to serve. Then you can put little iced cubes also. Okay. So now this is ready to serve. You can drink in evening or like this very healthiest juice. So I hope you enjoy this recipe. If you have any query regarding this or any other query, please comment in comment box and tell to us on which topic you need video. So I hope you enjoy this recipe. If you have any query regarding this, please comment in comment box. And if you still not subscribe our channel, subscribe also, because in this channel you found all informative video which we upload daily. So I hope you will do like this. We will come with another informative video also. So I am also thirsty. I have to drink also. You should try at your home. So please give me review in comment box how you feel this recipe. How many points or star you want to give to this recipe. So I hope you will do like this. We will come with another informative video also. Till then, have a nice day. Take care. Allah Hafiz.